In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing new downloads. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down, select Apps, so I must click and click on Choose Default Apps at the top. Finally, you can manage one of those options however you want to. In my case, Browser app. So when I click on it, tap on my new installed browser and click on the back button, I can see that default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!